Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2019 Ram Classic Bighorn Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2226P. 18,000 miles, and this Ram comes with us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, seat 6 cloth interior, seat bottoms flip up, giving you a flat cargo surface, additional storage below, as well as in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning, power sliding rear window for extra ventilation. The Ram is very unique and is the only pickup truck on the market to have rear coil springs instead of leaf springs, giving you the best quality ride without sacrificing towing or hauling capacity. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Bighorn has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Pages with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated seats and heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, as well as heated seats and heated steering wheel. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. Otherwise, up and out of the way for middle passenger, with even more storage below. Dual glove boxes for even more storage space. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and slide. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.